Just let that fall that way.
Okay.
All right, we're here with Mush today. So Mush, let us know a little bit about yourself, what you do day to day, also your training and your fitness lifestyle.
Yeah, so I'm a full-time job, corrosion engineer.
Yeah.
So that's just mainly office work, so I sit in the chair most of the day.
Yeah.
Weekends I've got a bouncy castle bubble soccer business, so that's pretty physical.
Yeah.
And then train maybe 5-6 times a week, an hour on weekdays and a couple hours on Saturday.
Yeah. Right. And you with your training, you're doing CrossFit as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
do you do anything else around, or you're just doing CrossFit?
Just CrossFit.
Just CrossFit. Yeah. And you've competed as well?
Yeah, I've competed.
You've competed,
a few local comps.
A few local comps. Yeah. What about some bigger ones?
Represented Lebanon at the CrossFit Games.
Which is awesome. So you're going where they have that?
Madison, Wisconsin. So, traveled around America for a bit after that.
Awesome. Where was that?
Searched all by my baggage got kept behind a few times.
And so obviously was that a few years ago as well, you did that?
2019.
2019, so two and a bit years ago, yeah. So in terms of obviously training quite a bit, back then obviously you're training heaps, and now just more for maintenance, imagine. And so are you getting any issues or anything physically or anything where you're feeling a bit limited or really trying to work?
I've had past few weeks I've had a bit of a dodgy shoulder.
Yeah.
I did a burpee of all things.
You shouldn't do that.
Damaged it. But yeah, so that's coming good now. I get a lot of back pain every now and then, a bit of knee pain, but all pretty manageable.
Okay. With your shoulder, which shoulder is that?
Yeah, this one.
And tell us a bit about it.
So I just went down for burpee and it just like sharp, very, very sharp needle pain, and then it was like if I moved it, it was literally like making me cripple, whatever you want to call it, but because it was just so painful. And then it would move to the back, move to the front, and then it took about 4 weeks now until it's gone away, but it still comes back here and there.
Yeah.
But not as bad as it was before.
Okay. All right. And with your lower back, where is that how's that limit?
It's mainly higher up, like kettlebell swings, heaps of cleans, heaps of squats. That really just triggers it. To go. And I have to stop working out, but then as soon as I stop working out, the pain goes away.
Okay.
So
right. Does any of these issues affect you when you're at work, like with the lower back? Just purely exercise related. Okay. All right. So what we'll do, I'll basically run a few tests with you now and do some adjustments along the way, and we'll go from there. Okay. All right. Cool, man. So I'll get you sitting here, facing that way.
I wore a green shirt to match my eyes.
I thought that was
green, mate.
Deep green. Right, I like this. And strong. That's probably why they stopped you in America. I haven't seen a set of beautiful eyes like that come through.
Strong with my name.
And with your shoulder, you're getting more on your right side?
No, the pain's on the left
side for that. Okay. Alright, so we'll get that left shoulder like this. Strong. Cool. That one there, strong. Okay. And arms like this. Like that. And together. Do you get any discomfort there?
No.
And up. And down. Yeah. I'll get that left arm like this. Yeah. See if you do this one a few times. Yeah. Through there. Right. And just internally rotating. Is that causing any pain?
Yeah, a little bit of
So when you go like that, that's alright?
Yep.
Yeah, but that's causing pain.
Yeah, so there's no issue doing like strict press or handstand push-ups. It's just a burpee position or devil's press or anything in that.
Anything like internally
rotated.
rotated.
Chest above, obviously.
Okay.
Just like tugging at your...
Okay. When we do this side again, that one's strong. So I'll just work there. But then you go that way. Any pain with that one, or does it just feel a bit weak?
Not really.
Yeah,
More just weakness. A little bit there, but not.
Okay.
That one is a noticeable pain.
Okay. Alright, so I'll get your little finger thumb. Strong. And keep it together.
This nail is not for any weekend recreational purposes.
Look, I thought it. Everyone thought it. I'm glad you clarified it. Strong. That one. And strong. I know this is just your left finger. Just one specific.
No,
one specific.
I always have a backup. So this one's coming through as a backup.
Okay.
And this one.
What are you
so
going
if
to
this
do?
one breaks.
If that one goes through,
This one breaks,
you're
and
in
this
trouble.
one's coming through. If I break both of them at the same time, I'm pretty depressed for about a week.
Yeah. I can imagine. I thought you'd just relax. Relax. There we go. Alright. That's probably going to get a bit of. Alright, through there. Alright. Okay. Alright, so I feel what's going on here. That's okay, just this right side's a bit jammed on there. Alright. Just relaxing that one, so I'll get you so you just falling, sitting down a little, yeah, that's fine. Just let that fall that way.
Okay.
Okay.
It's actually my first time in a chiro, by the way. Don't damage me.
Start at the top. This way. Yeah, so that's basically just like an occiput adjustment. So where the occiput attaches to your C1 right there, your left side was okay, just that right side wasn't moving free. At least that's alright. Okay. Alright. So this one here. That left ear touching left shoulder. And just try and let that go. Just rotate.
Oh, fuck. I'm sorry. Sorry, I probably should have said stuff like that.
What you got down like
Well, that was
good.
good. I'm Australian.
That's right. That right ear touching right shoulder and just let that one just rise all the way off. There we go.
Fudge.
To the left. To the right way. Beautiful. Okay. Alright, so we'll get you on your back for me, thanks mate. So we'll go face up. Yeah. So first thing I'll test, I'll just test like basically how your size for your hip flex is firing. Okay, so keeping that right leg up and nice and strong. I said strong. Are you at international games athlete? Like? Yeah. Strong? Oh, Jesus Christ. That one? Yeah. So you can see without even much pressure at all, just when it's not activating properly, that just means everything's not sort of firing properly.
You look stronger on the video.
Thanks mate, it's working. But we both know I'm not actually that strong. You've seen me in the gym.
Mate, I've seen you with your bicep kills every Friday. Good.
Have you ever seen me do mobility work at the gym?
Who's your chiro?
He works overtime. There we go. Alright. This one. All the way. Okay. And just put that foot down. We'll get you like.
I thought you just cracked bones. What are you doing over here?
Maybe do more crack bones, alright? And out, and in. And in. Right, you turn and rotate. Yep, and out. And in. And out. And out.
Oh. Is this going to make you taller?
Absolutely. You know how you've always wanted to be 6 foot tall? You might be. We might get you there. What do you do about 5? You
Me?
5'9", 5'10"?
Hit with heels or? I don't know, I've never really. I think I'm about 173, 172, something like that.
No, I think you'll still be under. When you had 2 inches, you're still falling. I think you'll fall tragically short. This one. That's it. I've got this. Yeah. Yeah. It's just a pec release, alright? It's the first time.
that's good.
Yeah. Are you doing much side pec release? For your thrusting
Yeah,
ability?
just the ball kind of where the shoulder joins onto the pec.
Yeah, so it's like
Shoving
right
the ball
yeah.
in there. Sometimes a bit of putting a stick against the wall. Oh yeah.
What we'll do, I'll do this way.
I told Grace I wasn't going to show any that I wasn't going to
Showing
show
what?
any facial
Emotion?
because she reckons you said boys show pain more than girls. Ah.
Well, the lads we've had in, yeah.
It's because they don't work as hard.
Yeah.
Controversial.
Mush with the Sunday morning controversy. I thought you normally only do it during Wednesdays. But Sunday was your rest day. No, every day.
Can't rest.
Alright. Breathing in. Down.
Oh yeah. Ooh. That's good.
That was for the ladies that didn't enjoy that comment. Breathe in. And out. And breathe in. And out. There we go. Alright. Just this one. Let me go all the way. There we go. Alright. Okay, so what we'll do here, we'll get you on your tummy, so face down. Okay. So, yeah, a bit rotate towards this right. So using the drop piece will just can help level it.
Yeah.
A little bit. And have that up and holding that there, strong. I'm going to push down, okay, resist. Good. That one up. And push. Let's go. And that's okay. There's a bit of strength there. And hold that one there. Resist. That's okay. That one. That's a bit weaker. Go again, that one. It's not too weak, it's not activating quite as strong. Yeah, you're just marginally. Okay.
Okay, no, that's not good.
That's good.
Oh, Jesus. I mean, that feels good.
I'm not going to stop.
No pain. Okay, a little bit of pain.
Alright. No, relax. Okay. Okay. And this left leg up all the way. The whole leg. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. That right leg up. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. Okay. Just do a little release through there. Okay, we'll get you on your side, facing towards me. Thanks so much. Okay. You just bend in that one. Yep. Put hands together. Just a little. This is just your lower back adjustment, right? So just let that just relax. Oh, there we go. Other side. How'd that feel? Yeah. Was it okay? Ooh, here we go. The big boy. That's good. And on your back, face up. And holding it there strong, and pushing up. Push, 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 push.
So much better.
I thought you were supposed to make me feel strong. Hey? I had my moment.
Not gonna lie.
Sitting up facing that way, that's right. Okay. Alright, we'll do an overhead press, both sides. Yeah. And up. And up. And up. Okay. Now, just with do that again. Yep, I'll do overhead press again. Yep. And down. Just with the left one. Yeah. And up. And down. And up. And again. And up. And up. Okay. Just relax this one. Okay. Okay. And to the left all the way. Beautiful. To the right. Good. Alright, and that. First. Right arm like this. Push. Good. Left one. Good. Internally rotate. Push. Any pain there?
No.
And that one. Internally rotate. Good. Little finger thumb. Nails to in check. Good.
Still good.
Still good. Okay, strong. That one's still, back up still good. Right, beautiful. Adjusted well, nails are good. How did it feel?
Excellent, very good.
Feel strong?
Best car experience.
Fucking good, pretty. Alright, so like, you notice obviously because that's the first adjustment. A few other people we've had in the past have had chiro done. So how does that probably different to what you would have thought with what chiro was? Because you had no idea.
All I've seen on social media is those guys who get the hot girls that are half naked and crack their back and
Well, that's what we
make them, you know, join us
Guys are pretty
say
good.
that again, it's probably not a good review for you.
the guys with the pretty eyes.
My impression
matching
on Chiros was
Yeah.
basically people that crack bones.
Yeah.
So obviously there's a lot more.
Yeah, and it can look like that in chiro's practice very different, but the main thing it's more like how we particularly practice is identifying areas in the spine that are like chronically or even acutely just jammed up, and then affects how like the nerve pathways are communicating from the brain to the body. So you can have problems with no pain or with pain, but our jobs, we should have the skill level to be able to pick it up regardless whether there's pain or not, and to basically get re-educate those nerve pathways to fire properly.
I actually do feel a lot more loose, to be honest.
And you can tell even with your shoulder, like a strength, bang. So that'll get it firing better and functioning better, but obviously it will need some work outside of this, and that's where, when you're doing CrossFit, most CrossFitters are pretty good in terms of they're doing mobility work, like pec release, lat release, rhomboid, trap, that sort of stuff, and a lot of like, even I quite like the peanut ball, more so than the foam roller through there, and that sort of stuff can help segment.
Like a trick ball.
Yeah, trick point ball is good through those areas, but the peanut one,
the
dual one,
yeah,
like a hard one, and put it and just mobilise every segment from like T2 to T8, and that'll help with the thoracic mobility.
Beauty.
Beautiful.
Thanks a lot.
Right.